When we first started working, I thought we could just cut to the chase and get to the final product. I am realizing that if we cut to the chase and you don't spend a lot of time on the foundations, then the exciting part never comes to fruition. In 2026, we'll be celebrating our 80th year. We became familiar and became a client of 8 Signal probably 10 plus years ago. Over the years, we've called upon them to help us look at different budgets for advertising. Ruben came in and also helped us analyze if that was a good place to spend our dollars. And actually, 8 Signal probably saved us several $1,000s because we realized that that wasn't a good place to spend our advertising. Over the years, 8 Signal has helped us with a lot of challenges and guided us with different avenues of marketing. They laid out a very straightforward path as to how we would achieve our goals. With 8 Signal, there's a lot of time spent up front trying to understand what it is we're trying to accomplish. When we first started working, I thought we could just cut to the chase and get to the final product. I am realizing that if we cut to the chase and dump all the pre-planning, if you don't spend a lot of time on the foundations, then the exciting part never comes to fruition. The 8 Signal team goes above and beyond and exceeds my expectations. And I could give an example, a specific example. 2 years ago, we wanted to put together a video presentation. And when we saw the production, it ended up being a short movie. It was just movie to everybody. It went way beyond what we ever expected. Everybody loved it. All of that we got for the same budget price that it was quoted at. So can you imagine that? Getting much more than you expected for what you expected to pay. I would tell anybody, choose 8 Signal because they're honest and they have integrity. They're experts in the field. You get the whole bundle all wrapped into one. You don't have to look further.